Well, hey there, it's Hudson Henry on a chilly Portland night. I'm out field testing the Nikon Z6's low light video ability. And at the same time, I want to introduce the fact that this week's Approaching the Scene video, I'm going to share one of my favorite lessons from my core photography course. So in this core photography course, there are 30 video lessons, and 4 of them are more sort of inspirational, about just connecting with your subject and creating more meaningful images for yourself that are really your own images. And this is one of those. So I'll put a link to the course down below. For a limited time, just through right before Christmas, it's on sale for $49.99. Run over, check it out. That's about 2/3 off the retail price, so it's a great opportunity to pick it up. And I hope you enjoy the video. There aren't a whole lot of road signs or even really road numbers around here, but our new friend Tim Peterson kind of drew us a spot on the map where we could find some really amazing archaeological ruins, some Native American ruins in these cliffs, and I'm really stoked to see them. I think we're on the right trail. Check this out. We ran into this mother and daughter who'd been in here and read about this handprint petroglyph. Amazing. I love there's this little kind of keyhole to the side of it. It's so bright out there. I'm actually gonna kind of bracket this. Got it. God, it's just really, really cool in here. I think about, people building all this. You can sort of see why in the heat of this place, they'd like to be here in the canyon. It's not particularly difficult to get in here and access this place. If you're excited to do it, I'm gonna leave it to you to do the research to find it. Coming and just not touching and spending a moment with this place, with the textures, with just the antiquity of it. It's just really, really powerful. Photography can reveal a lot about a subject, but sometimes it reveals the location of something sacred or fragile, and we need to think about that in relatively unknown places. Your image could contribute to eventual overcrowding or even vandalism, which we unfortunately did see several times in Bears Ears. On our way home, we got a taste of another kind of special place that, while spectacularly beautiful, was a completely different experience than Bears Ears. World-renowned spots like Delicate Arch, Horseshoe Bend, Half Dome, or the Grand Canyon really are icons of the American West that you do have to see. So I'm not trying to discourage anyone from going. But we also need hidden spots that take work to find, places you can't just navigate to on your phone. As photographers, we should want that challenge of finding something on our own, through word of mouth or by doing tons of research or just by old-fashioned exploring. And you'll probably get better images that way. They'll end up meaning so much more to you, which is what it's all about. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that. I had a ton of fun producing it with Andy, and I want to thank On1 and Hoya for helping to sponsor it. Again, there's a link down below if you're interested in checking it out. There's a lot more information about what's included. There are 30 video courses and a whole bunch of other stuff. It's on a really great sale right now, so check it out. And if you enjoyed the video, please click like, please click subscribe. We've got a ton of fun content coming, and above all, I view this weekly video course as a conversation. So if you have something to add, please put it in the comments. I look at each and every one of those and respond. And also, send email questions to questions@hudsonhenry.com. I'll check them out. And if it's relevant for something community-wide, I will definitely put it out in one of the videos. So these are a real joy for me to produce, and I hope you're enjoying them too. Next week, we're going to do a full review of this camera that I'm shooting this with, the Nikon Z6. A lot of people ask me why the Z6, not the Z7, and it's really about the video capabilities, the low light ability, and the fact that I already have a Nikon D850 and I don't see the Z7 being an improvement on that. So I'm willing to take a risk on the Nikon mirrorless offering with this Z6. We're going to see if I like it, whether I send it back or not. I'll give you the cliffhanger answer to that shortly, but I can say that there are a lot of things I just love about it. It meets my expectations and exceeds them in some ways, and then there are some frustrating little quirks when I compare it for still photography to using my DSLR Nikons and the mirrorless Sonys that I'm used to using. Over the last couple of years, I've been using a combination of those. My buddy Andy's going to join me for that review, and he's going to look at it from a video filmmaker's perspective and really compare it with the Panasonic GH5 Micro Four Thirds camera that he does a lot of his work with. So he has some of the same feelings. There's some really amazingness to it, this full frame camera that's capable of putting 10-bit video out through its HDMI port and really, really clean 4K video internally, but we'll talk about all that stuff, unpack it. So if you're interested, that's coming down the pipe. I hope everybody is enjoying the holiday season with tons of friends and family and really good food. That's kind of what it's all about. There's lots of fun family photographic opportunities I hope everyone's taking advantage of and just enjoying the season. So thanks for watching. Bye.